Anapane isim so that's not. Yamena to make to a papa.
Zagadat.
Yamena to make to a
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Daisy, and yes, I like to say my name twice. No one should be in the comments saying it again because I know I say it twice. Okay. Anyways, if it's your first time tuning in, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, of course, join the family, and leave a comment before you leave. And if it's not your first time tuning in, my G, okay? Thank you so much for stopping by, and no, thanks so much for coming back. That's what I meant to say. This hair was sent to me by a company called Diva Tress, and it's the 3A Water Wig by Afro Natural, okay? And this is what it looks like. Anyway, so yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to reply you as soon as possible. Yeah, anyways, just watch how I made this super easy crochet wig. Bye. You need a mesh cap for a crochet wig. I'm using this one instead of the regular mesh cap that is really soft, because this one is a lot more, like, it's stronger, so it definitely will last a long time. It's still as elastic, but I just feel like this is more durable in my opinion. The packaging, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below for you guys to buy it. You're going to need crochet pin or latch hook, whatever you want to call it. I have this one that I think almost everyone has it, and you can open and close the loop. You're also going to need T-pins to pin down the wig cap to the wig head securely. To make the wig, you're obviously going to need hair. I'm using the Afro Natural 3A Water Wave hair, and this is a 2X, so it's 2 in 1. You have a pack here and another pack here. I currently have 6 packs of this hair. So yeah, let's get started. After correctly placing your wig head, you want to go ahead and pin it down to secure it. After sliding the pin, you want to hook the braid onto the latch hook, close it, and then pull it through. And then you can make 2 or 3 knots if you want. I really don't count. I usually just make about 2 or 3. I don't think I make more than that ever. And that's just how you do the regular crochet braid method. Easy, guys. So that's basically what I'm going to keep doing around the hair. So I don't know if you've noticed yet, but I'm doing the brick method, and basically what that is, so as you see, I left a space, like a good amount of space between this one and this one. So my next crochet that's going to be above this line is going to be at this center, okay? So anywhere that there's a space, I'm going to put something there. So the next place I'm going to put something will be about here, because there's a space here, so it covers up that gap. You guys get what I'm saying? Just watch and see. So as you can see, it keeps covering the gap between the previous line, okay? So guys, this is what the wig looks like when I'm done. I literally just put it on. So I'm going for bangs, and obviously these bangs are way too long. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I would have cut it on my mannequin hair, but I just want to be sure how it looks on me. You want to make sure that when you're cutting bangs or cutting curly hair in general, you do not pull too much and cut. Because if I pull it to be straight and cut right here, when I leave it, it's gonna shrink again and it'll be too short, okay? So you wanna just not pull it, just hold it literally and start cutting. So after fluffing it out and cutting it to the shape I want, this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.